Here I am Vadel Sagar to let us watch our quarantine time by the learning physics. As you can see in this slide, the standard 10, chapter number 10 about light, reflection and refraction. Okay, let's go for the light. Light, you should understand first of all what is light. So the light is one type of energy. Particularly this energy is named as electromagnetic energy. You know, okay, then question come across in your mind is what is the source of light? As you can see in this picture, that is one of the main source of light is sun, and others are the you can see in the figures. Okay, now the question come across which is what makes things are visible. So you can answer it is the eyes only the factor. From this we can see the objects. No, not only eyes, one more very important factor is light. It means the light should fall on that object and reflect to the our eyes, then after only the visibility of the objects can come. As you can see, during the day the sunlights help us to see objects, and objects reflect light that fall on it. These reflected lights when received to the our eyes unable to see these things. Okay, there are the number of common wonderful phenomena are associated with the light. Image formations by the mirror we will see in the later in the chapter. Twinkling of stars, beautiful colors of rainbow, how these are the things are happening we will see in detail in the chapter. Let us start with the important thing which is named as reflection. This is one of the phenomena is associated with the light. Reflection of light. Returning of light comes returning of light from the surfaces of object is called reflection. As you can see in this figure, mirror is there. Here you can take any kind of wall, any kind of surface. It should be opaque. There, as you can see, one incident ray. What is the mean of incident ray? The rays is coming. The ray means what? Light rays come towards to this surface is named as incident rays, and those rays which are reflect, it means it is a bounce back. Opposite to the incident rays is called reflected ray. In this figure you can very clearly you can see reflections of light can be only from the opaque objects is mirror, wall, wood, etc, etc. Those are the opaque objects. Let us recall this law of reflection. Only that way the reflection can possible. Okay, the first law, the angle of incidence and angle of reflections are same. What is the mean angle? What is the angle of incident? Here you can see one normal I draw. Normal means the at the point on surface where our incident rays is fall, the normal to the surface is called normal of the object. Okay, through the normals and incident rays angle is named as incident angle and is represented by the eye, as you can see in figure. And then angle between reflected rays and normal is represented by the r, that is called angle of reflection. These two, angle I, angle r, these two should be equal. That is the explanations of the laws of reflection number 1. Okay, what is second? The first of all read it. The incident ray, this one pink one, normal dotted one to the mirror at the point of incident, and reflected ray green one are in the same plane. As you can see in the figure that the only the above plane is contain this all the three things: incident ray, normal and reflected rays. What does that mean? There is a none of the things are the downside, it means another plane. They are all are in the same plane. This is all about the laws of reflection. Okay, there is a two type of reflection: regular reflection and irregular reflection. Okay, any surface you have opaque surface which is very smooth, shiny, it means very aligned, then some parallel set of parallel rays are fall, as you can see in the figure number 2.2. the parallel set of rays are fall after the reflection, after the bounce back, they are as remains as what the state at earlier, it means parallel each other, then this reflection is named as regular reflection. And the exactly opposite, when our surface is not well polished, it means smooth, it is a very rough surface, then the reflections are random. When the rays, set of parallel rays are fall on surface, they are not parallel after the reflections, it is called irregular reflections. Okay, the reflections can be happen by the mirror, and mirrors are formed the images, and in the later of the chapter we will see this image, how the images are fall. And one of the spatial mirror, it is a spherical mirror. There is a three kind of mirror, as you can see. Plane mirror we have in our uh, homes, there is a, we are using the plane mirrors very well. And convex mirror, one more type, and concave mirror. Let me clear what is convex and concave. Those mirror, okay, let us see first of all this one sphere in above figure. From this sphere we are cutting the portion, blue portion. If we are coating one of the side by the opaque medium and another side which is reflecting, so this will be one mirror now. Then this line side of the left hand side is the opaque, and this is the reflecting side. So the reflecting side is inwardly curved, as you can see in the diagram number second. A convex mirror, the inner reflecting surface, the reflecting surface is inwardly curved, the named as concave mirror. And reflecting surface is outward bounce is there, it means it is outwardly curved, it's a convex mirror. So this is a three type of mirror: plane mirror, convex mirror, and concave mirror. This mirrors is just